Hi everybody, Mike here. We decided to get the Phantom drone and put it in the air and to take a closer look at the strange object in the trees. I've armed the quad.
Okay.
I'm going to get this out here a little bit. We're filming, we're recording. I just want to see if this thing holds its own. Okay. Make sure I have all the collision avoidance turned on. I do. Stopped recording. Started recording again. I'm gonna turn around. It's windy.
Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Hey, how about that?
Wonder what this in-flight vision means. Oh, it's because I'm pointing to the sun. It's not. Well, let's fly it, okay?
All right.
Out to the edge of the clear cut for starters.
Okay.
Something goes wrong, we're in the clear cut still, right?
Okay.
God, this is easy to fly compared to that other thing. Got to go to the right, towards the eye, don't I?
Yeah.
The eye's right there. Where's our altitude? Where's our altitude? Oh, it's the bottom. Height, 30 feet. So we got a clear line of sight.
Uh-huh.
So I just don't want to go negative here too much. Okay, that bright stuff is on the right side of the trees. No positioning. I'm going to stop my recording file, restart. I'm looking at my battery. I got 18 minutes left.
Okay.
You can see it with your eyes, can't you? So can I.
I've got my eyes on. That's what I'm doing, sort of watching you there. You're holding steady now.
I'm coming down a little bit, aren't I?
Coming down a little bit now.
It's flying forward.
Okay.
It's handling okay.
Mm-hmm.
Heading towards that big tree, aren't I?
Mm-hmm.
Where's my speed? 14. Bottom 13 miles an hour.
Okay.
It's hard to see this screen in the sunlight here.
Mm-hmm.
We got 16 minutes of battery. God, you can still see the white little speck.
I'm watching it. Trying to keep eyes on you there.
We are recording. Start recording again. Now I can see the tree. How's my battery? 17 minutes left. Good. Here's my tree. Off to my right. Let's stop it here. Here's this tree. There it is.
There it is.
I'm messing with the ISO.
Uh-huh. It's in the shadow there, but we can see it now.
I just auto-focused it a little bit. That should be a good picture of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how's our battery? 16. I want to see where this tree is next to me. I don't see him. He's right there, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, he's right below me to the right, isn't he?
Yep.
So if anything, I need to kind of
Nudge to the left.
nudge to the left here, a little lower.
Mm-hmm.
I can do this, right?
Yep. Now I'll lighten her up and you'll have it.
Right. That should be good. We are recording. Okay, I'm gonna start heading back soon.
Okay.
I'm just worried about how close can I get to this thing. See, I gotta keep my line of sight.
Mm-hmm.
Our line of sight's there at the top of that hill, overexposed.
Uh-huh.
So I can go down a little bit closer, can I?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Like, probably like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I refocused. I think that's enough video of that thing to figure out what it is. What do you think?
I think so. You got a good, you're on it right in the center.
I'm gonna take a still if I can.
Okay. I think you just took one.
I just did there. I'm gonna go back to video mode. And I'm gonna get the hell out of Dodge here. I could go a little bit closer, but do I tempt fate? Nah. It's blowing.
Yeah, it's blowing pretty hard right now.
Let's fly home. That should be enough to look at that thing. And we are recording everything here.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Hey, we might get something to look at here, and you can see that with your eyeballs.
Yeah, I could see that. Yeah, I can see you coming home now.
Well, I can see it. Yeah, look at that. Helps the thing's white, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, the white really shows up much better than your other drone.
24 miles an hour. Man, Jim, it is blowing today up here, isn't it?
It started to pick up now.
Well, this isn't exactly FPV flying because I don't have goggles on. But hey, don't tell anybody, right?
Right.
We're cheating here.
You use what tools are at hand.
This tool is good for just this, exactly. Now we got a good look at that thing. We can blow that up. I'm shooting 4K. It's such a different flying experience, you know?
Well, yeah, it's the difference between flying a prop and a jet.
Totally. We went from a 737 to a Cessna 172 here.
Okay, you're on course here.
Look at it heeling over in the wind. I've had a lot of fun with this quad, this drone, you know, and Maui and stuff. And
yeah.
Whoa! It's having a tough time staying level. I'm just going to put it down.
That's easy.
Yippee! We survived those odds again. Holy cow! Well, that's cool.
That was cool.
Now it's lunchtime, dude.
Yeah, it's lunchtime. That was a good flight.
What time is it? It's good. It's 11:45. We're right on schedule, as they say, north of the border. Oh.